Hey there, Boots Owen here. This one is a Beko WTG741M1W in the smallest possible letters, but it's there. As usual, I found this one. I didn't pay for it. Same model. Serial starts with 17. That makes it 2017. That makes it 4 years old, given this is 2021. December is the 12 at the end. This is December 2021, so almost exactly 4 years old. And it's in a bit of a state. So, notwithstanding stickers peeling and stuff like that, and this and that, the door seal was hanging off like this, but the wire is there. So I'm going to leave it as it is, even though it's not ideal. It had this kind of tissue stuff, not too keen on that. Sounds okay, maybe. It was out on the street. The bottom of it's rusty. Now this is the main issue for me. It's rusty. It was out on the street and it was missing this plug. I'm just making a mess. The plug was absent. This little plug was absent, and I've pulled this out of a Beko that's outside, one of the old Beko with the electromechanical timer. I've pulled it out and put it in here to see, and it fits just by coincidence, even though that one's getting up for 15 years old or 20. This one is only 4 years old, but it's the same style of pump. In here, perhaps you can see the blade there at, what would it be, 4 o'clock is broken, and there was a 5p piece stuck in it. I found it like this. So somebody didn't see that 5p piece, and probably, well, hopefully that's all that was wrong with it. Maybe they threw it out just because it was stuck and wouldn't drain. Let's close the door. Let's turn it on. I've got the power on. Meanwhile, anyways, when that pump was missing, somebody injected a load of expanding foam into the side of it, thinking that they would make a different video with this machine. Now, I could get that foam out. It's not too much, and it was stuck on a dusty surface, so it should just pull out if I wrench at it a bit. But, you know, for the purposes of experimentation and whatnot, I'm going to just turn it on as it is. The foam thing, that was because my plan was just to hot wire this. I wasn't going to put any more energy into it, but then I realized that I had that pump plug, filter plug. And I also, you see, before that I had this load of expanding foam left over because I was doing some insulation in the house, putting a bit of this under or around the doorway, and there was just a little bit left in the can, and I thought I'd snot it out in here because otherwise it just goes to waste. Not that this isn't going to waste in a different way. Delicates, hand wash, mixed fabrics, daily quick, synthetics, cotton, eco cotton, on off, baby and toddler clothing, shirts, lingerie, dark care, sports, downwear, rinse, spin and drain. Yeah, rinse. The numbers light up, 18 minutes, it's ready. Temperature, it won't be on the rinse, maybe, no. Spin, 1400, well, we may as well go for that. Pre-wash, won't be on a drain or on a rinse. Fast plus, drum clean, 3 minutes. Drum clean program, hygienic cleaning for your machine at 70 degrees. Ah, okay. Oh, I don't know actually. Child lock, 3 minutes, 3 seconds. I don't know, can't remember what those 2 commas mean. Let's try it. CO3, CO2, CO1, C on. So that's child lock is on, presumably. Ah, okay. So press and hold, and this feature will happen. So press and hold, 3, 2, 1, and that comes off, child lock. Okay, so I'm learning a little bit as I go. So presumably if I do the same thing, hold it for 3 seconds, and then wait for the 3, 2, 1 timer, the drum clean program will happen. And that's one that I'm interested to see if this machine works. I've got it up on wheels, which in some ways will counteract if there's any unbalance because of this expanding foam. Start, rinse, the water is on, it's clicked, that's the pump, it's turning. For rinse, we need rinse water. This is particularly snotty in here. And it's a bit black in the bottom and the back. Rinse, rinse. Need some rinse water. Maybe it's trying to assess a load. Maybe it's a modern machine and it's smart. Maybe. Oh, what does it say down here? Don't leave things hanging over. The door opens the full way around. Plug it out. Drain off this. I hear water. I haven't put anything into it. It's filling up quite a bit there with water. It's hard to see. It's not up to the door anyways. I've put my usual arrangement over here. I've put a bowl there. I'll give that a quick rinse because there's a little bit of dust. There's a little bit of dust in that bowl. And so when the rinse water comes out of here, anything that's in the tub should come out, but when I filled it with water to drain it, and I've put that in another video if you want to see how to drain the filter, but at this point, if you're watching this video, you probably know what's going on with these things. 2 minutes have passed, we're down to 16. It's right up on the door there. Is the pressure switch working? You can see where the door seal stops to meet it there. It's taking on a lot of water. Is that pressure switch going to click? Holy moly. That's a colossal amount of water. Oh well, all in the name of science. Showing no signs of stopping. Oh, there you go. There it is. It's stopping. So presumably it'll agitate, yeah, for a few minutes. Quite vigorous. So what I might do after this load, if this works, is try the drum clean, because that was something I've just never seen it before. 70 degrees rather than 90, because the thing goes up to 90, so why would you not do a drum clean at 90 if you have the option? I don't know. But we can try that. We'll see if anything comes out on this wash, and then we can see if anything comes out on that next one in another video. The issue I have with this machine is that rust. Everything else is okay. Like there's, you know, snots on the front of it. That's from a sticker that was there. It's dirty. This is the kind of condition it was in. I've wiped it down a little bit. The expanding foam's not an issue. I can get that out. It's not a problem. If I was going to sell it, which I'm not. It's got a bit of paint here, which is presumably just from painting whatever room it was in. It's a bit of spilled paint. Rust, 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 rust. So it could have been out in a shed or something, somewhere damp. Even though the door seal isn't on correctly, it's still not leaking, which is positive. It makes a pretty weird seal. Let's return when it's spinning, because I've run out of things to say. It started draining at 12. It's gross. There's some really gross flakes coming out there. You can see them all floating around. They're really gross. And there's a lot of water in it. It's got a bit bubbly actually. There was a tiny amount of soap in that door, in that drawer, that could have come down. That's gross. It's clearing up, but the soap, the bits are washing out. What does this water look like? Those are just snots. Those are bits of soap, presumably. There's a bit of sand, which is not a big deal. What I'm looking for there is corrosion of the aluminium spider, the bit that holds the drum to the bearings. It's like a three-legged thing that goes inside that plastic tub but joins the stainless steel, or it's not stainless steel, it's just some kind of shiny steel drum onto the shaft going through the bearings. Sometimes machines, oh, there we are, end, that's good, ready, end, off. It says end, but it's not open. No, it's not unlocked yet. End, you're just a trickster. No, it's not unlocked yet. What seems to be working, what I might do in another video coming up is fix that door seal and put it onto a drum clean program and just make a feature length. If you'd like to see that, let me know. Tell me about it in the comments. Tell me your thoughts and aspirations for the future. Tell me if you think that rust is a big deal or not. I heard a clunk. I did. Did it clean it at all? There's some stuff in there that I don't know if that seals on correctly or not. It could be that it's not hanging correctly because of the expanding foam. It didn't vibrate at all. I thought it was going to shake a bit more, but there's no load in it, so I guess with no load and no water, it's just spinning. It's balanced. It's okay. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.